Okay, so this is how to use the nano tape, also known as magic tape, to mount acoustic foam. It's an acoustic foam. Okay, so the first thing is get a blade and cut portions of the nano tape to put on the foam. Okay, so it's double-sided. So this side goes there. This side goes there. Um, cut another one. So I'm going to put it on about 7 different places, just to ensure that it sticks well and stays mounted. So I placed this on 9 different places. So now I'll peel off the layer. It's a bit trickish to peel off, but when you get it, it goes right off there. So I'm going to peel off all of these. So this is the last one I'm peeling off now. So having peeled off all of them, we are going to mount on the wall. So remember, all these parts that are shown here are sticky. The part under is sticky, the part on top is also sticky. Okay, so let's mount it to the wall. So just press it to ensure that it sticks more firm. So that's it. That's how to mount acoustic foam using nano tape or magic tape. Thank you for watching.